Thinking about a bathroom refresh and wondering about the cost of shower installation, Kitchener-Waterloo? You're not alone. As homeowners in this vibrant community, many of us are considering more efficient and modern bathroom solutions. Converting a bathtub to a shower is a popular choice, offering convenience and style, but understanding the costs involved is crucial for effective planning. In Kitchener-Waterloo, factors like local labor rates, the type of shower design you choose, and the materials you prefer can all influence the final price tag. Whether you're looking at a simple swap or dreaming of a luxurious walk-in shower with custom features, knowing what to expect can help you budget accordingly and avoid surprises down the road. In this article, we'll break down typical costs, explore factors that can affect your budget, and provide some tips on how to get the best value for your money. So, if you're ready to dive into the details of transforming your bathroom space, keep reading to discover everything you need to know to make an informed decision. Understanding the average costs of bathtub to shower conversions in Kitchener-Waterloo. Converting a bathtub into a shower is a popular renovation project among homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo, offering both aesthetic and functional benefits. The cost of this conversion can vary significantly depending on several factors, such as the size of the bathroom, the type of materials chosen, and the complexity of the installation. On average, homeowners in this region can expect to pay between $3,000 and $8,000 for a standard bathtub to shower conversion. However, opting for high-end materials or custom designs can push the cost upwards. One of the key factors that influence the cost is the choice between a prefabricated shower unit and a custom tiled shower. Prefabricated units are generally less expensive, with prices starting around $800, excluding installation. Custom tiled showers, while more expensive, allow for greater personalization and can increase the overall value of your home. Additionally, plumbing adjustments are often necessary, especially if you are changing the location of the shower, which can add to the overall cost. Hiring experienced professionals for your shower installation in Kitchener-Waterloo is crucial to ensure that the job is done correctly and safely. Consider a prefabricated shower unit if you are on a tight budget, as it can significantly reduce costs. Opt for durable and water-resistant materials to ensure the longevity of your new shower. Factor in potential plumbing costs, especially if the shower's location needs to be altered. Consult with local contractors to get multiple quotes and find the best deal for your budget. Remember that investing in a higher quality shower can improve your home's resale value in the long term. Choosing the right shower design for your Kitchener-Waterloo home. When converting a bathtub to a shower, choosing the right shower design is crucial, especially if you live in the Kitchener-Waterloo area. The design you select should not only fit your personal style preferences, but also align with the spatial and functional needs of your bathroom. Given the diverse architectural styles found in Kitchener-Waterloo homes, from modern condos to older historic houses, it's important to choose a design that complements your existing space. Whether you're seeking a sleek, minimalist layout or a more traditional design with intricate tile work, the options are plentiful. Considerations, such as the size and layout of your bathroom, as well as your budget, play significant roles in your decision-making process. A walk-in shower with glass doors can create the illusion of more space, which is ideal for smaller bathrooms commonly found in urban homes. On the other hand, a more expansive shower with multiple shower heads and built-in seating might be perfect for larger bathrooms in suburban properties. Consulting with local experts like Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys can help you navigate these options to select a design that perfectly fits your needs and enhances the value of your home. Consider the water pressure and plumbing layout of your home to ensure your chosen design will function properly. Think about accessibility needs, such as installing grab bars or a low threshold entry, especially if you plan to age in place. Choose materials that are durable and easy to clean, keeping in mind the humidity levels in Kitchener-Waterloo. Factor in the time and cost of potential permits required for plumbing changes. Consult with professionals to get a detailed estimate, ensuring that your budget accounts for both materials and labor. How to find reliable shower installation services in Kitchener-Waterloo. Converting a bathtub into a shower is an exciting way to revitalize your bathroom space, but it requires a keen eye for quality and reliability when selecting a service provider. Homeowners in the Kitchener-Waterloo region have a variety of options, but making the right choice is crucial to ensure the project is completed efficiently and within budget. One of the best ways to find reliable shower installation services is by researching local companies with a strong track record of customer satisfaction and expertise in bathroom renovations. Start by seeking recommendations from friends, family, or neighbors who have recently completed similar projects. This personal insight can provide valuable information on the quality of work, timeliness, and professionalism of various contractors in the area. Additionally, online reviews and ratings on platforms like Google or Yelp can offer further insights into the experiences of past clients. While browsing, be sure to check if the contractor has experience with the specific requirements of converting a bathtub into a shower, as this specialized task requires attention to detail and proper knowledge of local building codes. Ensure the contractor is licensed and insured in Ontario, which protects you from potential liabilities and guarantees a standard of quality. Request detailed quotes from multiple service providers in Kitchener, Waterloo, or Cambridge to compare costs and services offered. Inquire about the timeline for the project to ensure it aligns with your schedule and expectations. Verify any warranties or guarantees they offer on their work to safeguard your investment. Ask for a portfolio of previous work to assess their style and capability in handling shower installations. By taking these steps, you can find a reliable and skilled contractor in the Kitchener-Waterloo area who will transform your bathroom into a functional and stylish space. Remember, investing the time to choose the right service provider can make a significant difference in the overall outcome of your shower installation project. Budgeting for additional plumbing and tile work in Kitchener-Waterloo. When planning a bathtub to shower conversion in Kitchener-Waterloo, it's crucial to budget for additional plumbing and tile work. These elements can significantly impact the overall cost of your renovation project. The existing plumbing infrastructure in your bathroom may need adjustments to accommodate the new shower setup, which can include rerouting water lines and installing new fixtures. Typically, the cost for plumbing work ranges from $500 to $1,500, depending on the complexity of the project and the layout of your current bathroom. Tile work is another major consideration. The choice of tiles can drastically affect your budget. Ceramic tiles are generally more affordable, while natural stone tiles can be quite costly. In the Kitchener-Waterloo area, the average cost of tile installation can range from $10 to $40 per square foot. It's important to not only consider the cost of the tiles themselves, but also the labor involved in installing them. Hiring a professional ensures a high-quality finish and can prevent issues like water leakage down the line. Consider using larger tiles to reduce the number of grout lines, which can simplify maintenance and give a more modern look. If your budget is tight, opt for ceramic tiles, which offer durability at a lower price point compared to natural stone. Engage a local plumber familiar with Kitchener-Waterloo building codes to ensure compliance and avoid costly rework. Obtain multiple quotes from local contractors to compare pricing and services offered. Plan for potential hidden costs, such as repairing water damage or upgrading outdated plumbing, which might be discovered during the renovation. How costs compare across Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge. When considering a bathtub to shower conversion, costs can vary significantly depending on your location within the Kitchener-Waterloo region. In Kitchener, where many homes are older and located in historic neighborhoods, you might find that renovation costs are somewhat higher. This is often due to the need for updating aging plumbing and electrical systems. Homeowners in Kitchener can expect to pay between $4,500 and $8,000 for a standard shower installation. Moving to Waterloo, the scenario changes slightly. As most of Waterloo's housing stock was constructed post-1980s, renovations tend to be more straightforward, resulting in more predictable pricing. Here, shower installation costs typically range from $4,000 to $7,000. The newer infrastructure often means fewer surprises during the renovation process, making budget planning more reliable. In Cambridge, particularly in its century-old cores like Galt, Hespeler, and Preston, the cost of converting a bathtub to a shower can increase due to the complexities associated with older homes. Homeowners in these areas might face costs ranging from $5,000 to $9,000, as contractors may need to address issues like outdated plumbing or wiring before commencing a shower installation. These factors can significantly affect timelines and budgets, so it's essential to prepare for potential contingencies. Conduct a thorough inspection of your current plumbing and electrical systems to anticipate additional costs. Inquire about permits. Some older homes might require specific approvals for renovations in Kitchener and Cambridge. Consider water-efficient fixtures to not only save on long-term utility bills, but also to qualify for potential rebates. Get multiple quotes from local contractors experienced in the nuances of homes in your specific area. Plan renovations during off-peak seasons to potentially secure better rates and more dedicated contractor attention. Transforming your bathtub into a shower can enhance your bathroom's functionality and style, and understanding the costs involved is crucial for planning. At Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys Kitchener-Waterloo, we are committed to providing top-quality renovation services tailored to your needs. Whether you're considering a tub-to-shower conversion or exploring kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo, our experienced team is here to help. Contact us today at 226-894-0234 or visit kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca to book your free estimate or call for a quote. Discover our excellent service through Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys on Google.